There's going to be the chance of thunderstorms breaking out in the south of England during the next 24 hours. But just 24 hours ago, the wet weather was all up in the north across Scotland. You might have seen some of the pictures in the news showing the flooding. Not surprising when you see that Kinloss had 20 millimetres falling in just 12 hours. Well, that wet weather thankfully has moved away from Scotland. It is still, though, pivoted across Northern Ireland, and it has been a cold, wet morning here. But I think gradually things will improve. It's now down to the south that we have to turn our attention. You can just see a few spots of rain showing up on the radar picture there, and that's where we're going to see the thunder moving its way in. Now, yesterday in Boulogne, there was 28 millimetres of rain falling in 18 hours. For today, there's going to be even more than that. You can see the cloud streaming its way up from the Mediterranean right across France and towards us as well. And there's already been thunderstorms and some heavy rain across central and southern France this morning. Now, further east of that, well, that's where we find the highest temperatures, that hot air really gathering across the central part of Europe for this coming weekend. I think on Friday, Budapest could see temperatures as high as 25. But either side of that, very unsettled weather, rather heavy, thundery showers. The driest weather really reserved down for the southeast of the Mediterranean. Well, back towards home, temperatures are never anywhere near as high as Budapest, around 15 to 16 at the best. And across Northern Ireland, as I say, it's been quite chilly this morning. Now, as we go through to tomorrow, we're going to find the pulses of rain coming up from France associated with this weather front here. It does mean the increasing risk as thunderstorms, as I said earlier. So this afternoon, that rain arriving in the southeast, working its way up the east coast overnight tonight. Elsewhere tonight, any showers will die away, I think, and on the whole, it will be fairly dry and quite clear. It does mean that temperatures on the western side could get down to around 2 to 4 degrees, whereas further east in that cloud and wet weather, temperatures will stay nearer 7 to 10. Now, into Friday, we start with that wet weather for the rush hour, then right the way up across many eastern areas of England, pushing its way gradually northwards. We'll also have some wet weather, perhaps the odd bit of thunder as well in the northeast of Scotland. That'll move away during the day as this next area, this pulse of rain, pushes its way up. Further west, it's going to be a mixture of sunshine and showers, with temperatures around 11 to 12. But in that rain, I think probably temperatures could be around 15. Now, into Saturday, for many of us, it should be a far drier, brighter day, quite a warm one as well, unless you live in the east of Scotland, where it will be quite wet to start off with, and there will be more rain gathering in the southwest later. Into Sunday again, fairly warm, but some wet weather. Bye-bye.